So a quick update on the car. Just got back from having the car ceramic coated. Did all the lenses, all the plastic, did the wheels, did the windows, did the back, and it came out looking awesome. He also did all of these, the taillights and everything. So it's kind of weird. It changed the way they look. It almost made them look out of focus when you're looking at them. It's kind of cool. Another thing I did yesterday was I did go back and rewire and update my tail light or my under lighting. So I went ahead and moved them there because when they're on the sides, you could see them a lot more in the wires, and it was shining into the cabin. So here it's angled down, shooting at an angle here. And then I used heavier gauge wire and re-ran it up under the bodywork so you don't see anything. And then up there, I just twirled the wires around, and it's about as clean as it's going to get. So that works really well. I got a 6,000 milliamp hour power supply down here that I can just turn on and off, and then unplug and Velcro it out, take it with me and charge it in the house. So it's coming along nice. Still thinking about wheel spacers, but the first thing I really wanted to do was get in here and get that clear coat on there, that ceramic coat, and get it all protected because my car does live outside. So anyway, stay tuned. We'll have some more updates coming.